Hello guys, welcome to Gladytech YouTube channel. In this video we're talking about how to withdraw money on Bigo Live. So the first step is to tap on the me icon. The next step is to tap on your wallet option. Tapping on your wallet option, you're going to see the two features there that says diamond and beans. You just have to tap on beans option. So tapping on beans option, you're going to see the current estimate total earnings that you have, which is going to be in beans, the current beans. So it's going to be in beans form, but the exchange, if you want to exchange it to dollar, it's going to be shown there, the amount of beans that you have equivalent to dollar. So if you have, I don't have beans here, that's why it's $0. But yours, if you have, is going to be showing up here. So the next thing you have to do if you want to withdraw it is just tap on exchange reward. So tapping on exchange reward, you're going to see the payment method and enter your password in order to be able to withdraw from the Bigo Live. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.